Right, so you can see the air intakes just open underneath. There's exhaust from the combustion side of the heater. Obviously the gases are just coming out of there and being sucked straight into there. Obviously heated up in here, blown through this and blown into the cab. And what they normally do is turn it 90 degrees from here. You can't really see, it's not very handy here. So 90 degrees from here, back through this sill, which then comes, through there somewhere, through sort of this part there, which I'll do now. I just wanted to do a video before just to show people that the reason why it was blowing all those carbon monoxide fumes into it is because it's basically sucking them all from underneath. I think it's a brand new conversion. Apparently he's fitted, I don't know, somewhere between 60 and 80. He told me 60, told my missus he'd fitted 80 of these heaters. I don't know. So yeah, there's another video I put on yesterday of how quick it gets dangerous. I mean, I bought 2 testers. The first one went off so quick I thought there must be something wrong with it, so I bought another tester. But yeah, it's ridiculous. That's where the warm air gets blown into, obviously mixed in with all the diesel and carbon monoxide fumes from underneath that the combustion part and the heater's producing. So I'm going to alter it myself, and I'll stick another video on and just show you what I've done, and we'll do a test then, and just to prove that it is that's the fumes are getting in. That's the reason why they're getting in. All right, bro.